Data Analysis Expressions, or DAX, is like a secret language for unlocking the true potential of your data in Power BI. It's a formula language specifically designed for analyzing and manipulating data stored in tabular models. Think of it as the engine that drives powerful calculations and helps you uncover hidden insights. DAX isn't just limited to Power BI though. You'll also find it working its magic in other Microsoft tools like Analysis Services and Power Pivot in Excel. This means that once you've grasped the fundamentals of DAX, you'll have a powerful skill set that can be applied across various data analysis platforms. This essay serves as a friendly introduction to the world of DAX, guiding you through its basic concepts and showing you how it can empower your data analysis journey. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in data analysis before, understanding DAX is essential for anyone looking to make the most of Power BI's capabilities. Imagine you have a massive spreadsheet with rows upon rows of data. It's difficult to make sense of it all, right? That's where DAX swoops in to save the day. DAX allows you to slice and dice this data in ways you never thought possible, revealing hidden patterns and trends. One of the key areas where DAX shines is in creating calculated columns and measures. These are custom calculations that you define using DAX formulas, allowing you to extract new insights from your existing data. For instance, you could create a measure to calculate the year-over-year sales growth or a calculated column to categorize customers based on their purchase history. But DAX's capabilities don't stop there. It also empowers you to build calculated tables, which are essentially virtual tables generated from your existing data using DAX formulas. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for data modeling and analysis. Additionally, DAX plays a crucial role in implementing row-level security, ensuring that only authorized users have access to specific subsets of your data. Now that we've explored the what and where of DAX, let's delve into the how. At its core, DAX is all about using formulas to interact with your data. These formulas might seem intimidating at first glance, but they're actually quite intuitive once you understand the basic building blocks. DAX formulas are built using a combination of functions, operators, and references. Functions are pre-built formulas that perform specific calculations such as sum, average, or count. Operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide allow you to perform arithmetic and logical operations within your formulas. References are used to point to specific columns, tables, or measures within your data model. One of the key concepts to grasp in DAX is the concept of context. Context refers to the specific row or cell that a formula is being evaluated in. Understanding context is crucial for writing effective DAX formulas that produce accurate results. Section 4. Putting DAX to work measures and calculated columns. Let's bring DAX to life with some practical examples. Two of the most common applications of DAX are in creating measures and calculated columns. While both involve writing DAX formulas, they serve distinct purposes. Measures are dynamic calculations that aggregate data. They're like on-demand calculations that are performed only when you need them. For instance, a measure to calculate total sales would sum up the values in your sales column and display the result in your report. Calculated columns, on the other hand, are static calculations that are performed once and stored as new columns in your data model. These are useful for creating new attributes based on existing data. For example, you could create a calculated column to classify customers as high value or low value based on their total purchase amount. Section 5. Your journey to DAX mastery, a world of data awaits. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of DAX. Remember, this essay is just a starting point. There's a vast and exciting world of DAX functionalities waiting to be explored. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with its syntax and capabilities. For detailed information on specific DAX functions, syntax, and best practices, be sure to refer to the official Microsoft documentation. You'll find a wealth of resources available online, including tutorials, forums, and sample datasets to help you along your DAX journey. As you delve deeper into DAX, you'll discover its true power in transforming raw data into actionable insights. So, embrace the challenge, keep experimenting, and unlock the full potential of your data with DAX.